Get money, get maths, get power. Your papa not fit do anything. You know, that's a rat. Special announcement. BLORD is coming to Onitsha on Saturday. We are just 2-3 days ahead. BLORD and VDM will be live in Emeka for main market on the 24th of January 2026, which is just Saturday here. I'll be coming with some Igbo entertainers too, like Uncle SP, Chi Machine, and the others. We'll be live in main market. So on 24th, prepare your dancing shoe. We're going to dance for the Blunt Gadget Rally. All right. So let's continue.
Yes, sir. Okay. Well, today the case was meant to discuss my request during the last hearing that the judge should cancel the case, recuse himself. That's the legal terminology. When we arrived to court today, we served on the prosecutor and the judge himself a letter. What is the proper way to go about it? We sent to the chief judge of the Federal High Court to ask the judge to return the case file for reassignment. Simple. And the judge saw it, asked if the prosecutor had seen it. The prosecutor said he's seen it, and the judge said he's adjourning till June 4th to hear from the chief judge if he decides to reassign the case or not. But I would say that something a little weird happened. He's asking the prosecutor to respond to our letter to the chief judge. We didn't write to the prosecutor. We didn't file an application to the prosecutor. We filed an application to the chief judge to ask the judge to return the case file for reassignment to another judge, not the prosecutor. So that's what happened in court. Freedom of speech is important. Freedom after speech is more important. Because where Nigeria is now is that we have gotten over our ability to freely speak. What has become terrible and unacceptable is that people can no longer be free after they have spoken. And that was what Idi Amin Dada of Uganda, one of Africa's greatest dictators, said when he was butchering his people in Uganda, that he can guarantee you freedom of speech, but we can't assure you of freedom after speech. That's where Nigeria is. That's Tinubu has become the Tinubu Dada of Nigeria. Freedom of speech, no freedom after speech, which is unacceptable.
Thank you.
I think we should pass comments as lawyers. It's very important. I think it's very important we understand the meaning of this application. Masha is going to speak. It's very important we understand the meaning of the application. The confidence that the people have in the court is what gives the court the power that makes us to come before the court, to come and seek redress. Sometimes when we are also taken before the court as defendants, it is the public confidence in the court that closes the court with the power. Because, my lord, it is the public confidence in that court. If that public confidence is taken away, then there is no court. So what we are able to do is not a fight between the defendant or the defense team and the court. No. We are trying to restore the confidence that the people have in the court. If the defendant is saying, my lord, I have lost confidence in you, it is very dangerous for us to continue to come before that court. Until it is determined, we can't continue. Because if the defendant is not confident in the court, how can the media, the public, have confidence? If we now proceed to judgment, how are we going to say that that judgment has satisfied fair hearing? That is the meaning of that application. For a judge to disqualify himself, it is not an acrimonious application, it's not a malicious application. We are trying to help the judiciary and society. So that is our stand.
Your name, sir?
I'm talking to Mogu. Masha, talk, please.
I did not put the application, and there was no any further.
They don't want.
And the last had done fixing. But today, so there was a narrative that was put out by the prosecution. There was another court asking us to file a specific process for a close of the case. And we reminded the court that no such application was possible, and that the age-long practice that we met and that we are willing and ready to stick to and hope is the procedure whereby clients or a defendant or a party that strongly feels the pendulum of justice is strongly tilted against the application is like prodigy, who is the administrative head of the court, asking another court to be constituted to hear this matter in a manner that will ensure there's right to fair hearing. The confidence of all parties in the advocacy system.
So guys, the update from court today about very dark man, Barrister Marshal and BLORD. Now you hear so. At times, it go better. Make sure worry on his own. They advise BLORD. See, nobody hates BLORD though. But when BLORD they go wrong, when BLORD they talk with not be in, show already they are well. Show already not talk. Why be say now when things don't go wrong finish, now show already go one try come inside. The same thing will happen with that guy, with that same issue. When the guy tweet say, "See me picking by," nobody talk. Now when they see me with a decole go sue the guy. Now sure can say you want to discontinue the case. See, not be everything they discontinue. There are some people be say they do the thing wrongly. You go allow them serve the jail. You understand? Because now people will come out for BLORD. Now the BLORD they get mad till they talk. Just imagine what the person they talk. See, when I might say that, say maybe they forgive and maybe forget everything, no. But we all know, say what teach BLORD do is not good, honestly. See, that's the truth you talk. No matter what will happen, what BLORD do is not good. So at times, I always want to go happen. So people just want to go happen. They just want to turn everything, say this are not good. I don't know. I say at times, see, things happen for a reason. You understand? All these things will happen. So now for some people to take a lane, because if such thing happen a day, just the one way it's happened to VDM and Mr. Jollof.